love size.
Oh, look at this golden flower.
Oh, beautiful.
ये नकली है,
That's a
पर
beautiful
नकली।
shop. अनाया आप इधर खड़े. Name.
Iban.
Shake hand with the brother as well.
Muhammad Sharif Iban.
Sheikh Mohammed Eban. Sheikh Mohammed Eban. Thank you. Eban, stand on counter. You are the owner. Be seated there. Be seated there. How are you feeling? Oh, now Eban is the owner of this shop. Eban, तहस नहस हो जाएगा सब कुछ. You are the owner of that shop. Oh my God. In future owner? Inshallah. Say inshallah. Very good. Thank you, Sawab.
सवाल मतलब तो
Allah bless them. Okay? Allah will bless inshallah.
उसका मतलब सवाल
ये था हमारा छोटा सा visit shop का. That was the Tiffany flower shops nearby our home, looking beautiful. And now you can stand there and say tata over there. Evan is also saying tata. Evan, say tata to me, to me, to me. Say tata. Okay. Here the flower. Is that real? Oh, it looks.
Chocolate, take chocolate. Take chocolate.
Thank you very much. See, the Arabian people are very hospitable. Wow.
मुझे टैडी भी चाहिए ना टैडी
Oh.
टैडी तो पैसा है ना नहीं जैसे मम्मा देयर आर टॉयज लुक एट अप
This is love shop.
मम्मा
OMG.
कितना टॉय और इसके साथ तो मैं करके ऊपर ही उतरूंगी
It's a
Mama, see the
it's a
teddy.
toy shop nearby my house. Look at this, looking amazing, beautiful. Wow. Beautiful. See about? I love it. No, no touching. No touching. Yvonne, no touching. Okay. One more picture. Taking on a landscape. Do you understand Urdu, guys? आपको उर्दू आता है? Arabic? Are these real flowers? MashaAllah. Fresh and real. These are the fresh and real flower. Oh my God. MashaAllah. MashaAllah.